Open.
I'm opening the door.
Hello, Casey.
Hello, Abby. Come in. What can we play with? Let's play with the ball. Where's my ball?
Is it in the small box?
Let's open it.
Open.
Can you say open? Yes, open.
Open. A boy is opening his eyes. Close.
Let's play a game, okay?
Hooray! A game!
Let's play Guess, Guess, Guess. Now, please close your eyes.
I closed my eyes.
Okay, I closed the box.
Close.
Can you say close? Yes, close.
Close. Close. Close a book. Black.
Your daddy's glasses are missing again.
The black ones?
Look for them here. I'll look there.
Okay. Here, I found them. The black glasses.
Thanks. Black glasses on a black sofa.
Black.
Can you say black? Yes, black.
Black. A woman is wearing a black dress. White.
Hello, little duck. I am not a little duck. I am a little white swan.
White? Swan? Is she white? No, she is not.
You are not white. The mushroom is white.
White.
Can you say white? Yes, white.
White. A white cat. Throw.
I used to be the best player.
Wow!
You can throw too.
Really?
Yes.
Wow!
See how I throw it?
Go, Daddy!
Throw.
Can you say throw? Yes, throw!
Throw. Throw leaves. Pick up.
Wow, so many walnuts! But how can we get them?
Come and look at me! Hey! Ouch!
Look at me.
Ah!
I'm such a genius.
Let's pick up walnuts.
Pick up.
Can you say pick up? Yes, pick up.
Pick up. Pick up. She is picking up an apple. Benny is opening his book. Opening his book. Casey is closing the box. Closing the box. Choose the black one. Black. Which one is white? White. Who is throwing? Throwing. Who is picking up something? Picking up something. Hot.
So hot. Ice cream! We found it. One for Grandpa. It should be fixed now. Yes, let's go back. Grandpa, here is an ice cream for you. Why is it still so hot?
Hot.
Can you say hot? Yes, hot.
Hot. He feels hot walking outside. Cold.
Quick! Pass me the clothes, please. I need to put clothes on my robot too, so they won't feel cold. Take them off. They are too big. How can we make the clothes smaller?
Let's go find Grandma. She'd know what to do.
Look! That guy is wearing too many clothes.
Cold.
Can you say cold? Yes, cold.
Cold. She is feeling cold on a bed. Float.
The clothes are too heavy. Our clothes will not heavy when we are floating.
Yes.
It's so pretty. Wow. I'm floating.
Float.
Can you say float? Yes, float.
Float. Float. Floating in the sky. Sink.
I'm coming. No, you will sink into the mud. Look! The marble is sinking. Kids, what happened to that marble? Yes, sink. The marble was sinking to the mud.
Sink.
Can you say sink? Yes, sink.
Sink. Sink. Sinking into water. Who is feeling hot? Hot. Who is feeling cold? Cold. Which one shows something sinking? Sinking. Who is floating on the water? Floating.
You are great!